If you want to speed up your website and add an extra layer of protection, Cloudflare is one of the easiest tools you can use with Bluehost. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Cloudflare with Bluehost step by step, and I'll keep it simple so you can follow along even if you're a complete beginner. By the end, you'll know how to turn it on, where to find it, and how to confirm the setup properly. And if this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy website tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's get into it. First, go ahead and log in to your Bluehost account. Once you're inside the Bluehost portal, look at the left-hand menu and click on Websites. This area shows you all of the websites connected to your hosting account, so this is where you need to start. After that, find the website you want to work on and click Manage Site. This opens the settings for that specific website, which is important because you want Cloudflare enabled on the correct site. Now that you're inside your site settings, look across the top menu and click on Performance. This is where Bluehost keeps the tools related to speed and optimization. Under the Performance section, scroll down until you find the Cloudflare card. You should see an option to toggle Cloudflare on. Go ahead and switch it on. At this point, Bluehost will usually show a confirmation pop-up. This is normal, so simply click Confirm to continue. Once you confirm, Bluehost will start enabling Cloudflare for your website. Depending on your account and site setup, this may only take a few moments. When it's done, Cloudflare should be active and working in the background to help improve loading speed and add extra security features. If you don't see the Cloudflare option right away, make sure you're in the correct website dashboard and not just the main Bluehost home screen. Sometimes the menu can look a little different depending on updates, but the general path is still the same. Websites, Managed Site, Performance, and then Cloudflare. If the toggle is already on, then that means Cloudflare is already enabled for that site. A quick tip here. After turning on Cloudflare, it's a good idea to test your website in a private browser window and check that it loads normally. You can also clear your browser cache if you don't immediately see changes. That way, you know the configuration is working the way it should, and that's really all there is to it. You've now learned how to use Cloudflare with Bluehost in just a few simple steps. It's a fast way to improve performance and give your site a little more protection without needing technical experience. If you found this video useful, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.